Do you think you've reached dead end? ऐसा लगता है कि अब आगे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा. It's like सब कुछ खत्म हो गया है. Maybe you've lost your job and you feel there are so many responsibilities. How will I take care of them? The work is not happening. I don't know what am I going to do. I'm already so and so age. अब क्या करूँगा? Right? Or maybe you have your relationship which is on the verge of breaking. Some very critical relationship is just not the way you wanted and you feel life is over. आगे क्या होगा पता नहीं. Yeah, or maybe you've lost someone who's very dear to you, very close to you, and you don't know what to do. Yeah, any such thing, if you are feeling और आप उससे गुजर रहे हो और लगता है there is a dead end, इसके beyond मुझे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा, then here's what you can do. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, your happiness coach, and I help leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find this video meaningful, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are 2 new videos published here every day. So, जब भी dead end लगे, you know that you've reached a dead end, there are a couple of things that I want to share with you. Okay, the very first thing, you know, the good news is वो जो dead end है ना, वो सिर्फ आपके दिमाग में है. Because fortunately life doesn't stop. Yeah, life पे वो जो end है वो एक ही बार में लगता है, but उसके अलावा life चलती ही जाती है. So this will pass for sure. This too shall pass. You may be stuck somewhere in your thoughts that okay, इसके beyond अब कहाँ जाऊँ? But life is still going on. Life is happening, right? तो पहली चीज तो ये है कि वो dead end जो है वो आप ही का create किया हुआ है. Okay? The second thing is that don't rush through this phase. हमको because we want certainty, we want कि मुझे कुछ पता चल जाए कि करना क्या है, मुझे बस कोई बता दे कि करना क्या है, अब आगे क्या करूं, मेरे लिए क्या सही होगा. Well, who knows? But the thing is, ये जो फेज है, इससे आपको गुजरना ही है. It will pass also. The fact is, it will not remain forever. But don't hurry up. Don't rush into things. Don't jump into making decisions. Yeah. Take your time and do the necessary work. Whatever is the work that is required to be done on this journey, वो करना है. Now, work क्या हो सकता है? Work could be reflecting upon what is going on, reflecting upon what the thoughts are, which means meditation की ज़रूरत है, yoga की ज़रूरत है, to sit down, close your eyes and breathe, उसकी ज़रूरत है. Maybe taking a walk in the nature, you may have to do that regularly. Whatever it is that needs to be done, a lot of writing needs to be done, setting up of action points, क्या छोटे action ले सकते हो. Maybe getting a coach or a mentor to help you could be an action point. Whatever is that work that needs to be done, focus on that. Yeah. And last but most important, every time you feel you are at a dead end, you've reached a dead end, be ready. Be ready to welcome a newer version of yourself. Absolutely. Because जब आप उससे निकलोगे, उस dead end से निकलोगे, तो आप same इंसान नहीं होगे. You'll be a better version of yourself because of whatever you've gone through and the way that you've dealt with it. It has its own learnings. You would have evolved in the process. Right? And that is immense learning. That's immense growth. So you'll be shedding behind some more barriers and moving ahead, being a newer version of yourself, a better version of yourself. So isn't that a cause to celebrate? So then that means that जब अब आपको लगता है कि आप dead end पर हो, कुछ नहीं सूझ रहा है, celebrate. absolutely celebrate. And I'm not trying to undermine the whole thing. You may be thinking while I'm saying celebrate, मेरे लिए कहना आसान होगा, और मैं इससे गुजर रहा हूँ, मुझे पता है कितना पेन है. Well, yes, but पेन उतना ही होगा जितना आप अपने लिए क्रिएट करोगे. So it's a choice that you have to go through that journey. वो जर्नी से तो जाना ही है, लाइफ रुक नहीं रही है वहां, उससे गुजरोगे तो सही. तो हंसते हुए निकलो, सेलिब्रेट करते हुए निकलो कि देखते हैं क्या होता है, वर्सेस यू सल्क, यू बी अ विक्टिम. मेरे साथ ये क्यों हो रहा है, क्या होगा, कैसे करूं. दैट चॉइस लाइज विद यू. यस, सो आई होप यू गॉट सम thought provoking pointers here. And if you are going through something like this, ऐसा कुछ महसूस कर रहे हो, so you know what to do now, right? So just stay calm, go through it, and do the necessary work. Just be with yourself, stay connected with yourself. I'd say do not compromise with who you are. Stay connected with who you are, and you will come out of it rocking. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.